So good. What's up guys, your boy Connor. This morning, we're coming at you a little earlier. It's about 7:30, 8 o'clock. We're gonna be reinstalling our Pelican bags and the Sissy bar, just to let y'all see how it is, how we install it with the frame. The Pelican bag frames as well as the Sissy bar. These were made by Jacob Kennard. It's simple, straightforward. We're gonna go ahead and crack into it. Again, it's always easier if you have a buddy to help you. That way they can kind of help finesse the frames. And then it's mostly just when you're putting the Sissy bar on, because you have to loosen them half at a time, so that way your bag frames don't fall off, and it's a little cumbersome at times. So if you do have a buddy to help you, have them over. But what we're gonna do is just remove the bolts that come with them. So this is the back frame as it sits. This is how we're gonna put it forward. On the right side, you have where it ends, pretty much perpendicular line. That's the front, it comes around. And then where you have this hoop on the rear, that's gonna go towards the rear. You go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. At this point, we just need a snap-on power tool just to get those out. Done. Now, there's not much tension as you chip away the paint, to where it's definitely doable to pull it farther than the side plates. Now, the rails that we have are painted, they're not powder coated. So the only downside to that is that they chip. If we get hit by a rock, just fly them. Oh no, this is the side plate. There we go. Oh shit, we lost that one. There we go. Now we have the Pelican bags. These are your Pelican Fortune 30s. They marry right up to it. You can decide what side you want what. We know by the stickers. You just put them in there. These just fit right through the mounting holes on the Pelican bags, where it has these little portions right here. You thread this bolt through both of them, and then your bag is secured. It doesn't come off. But should you want to take it off, if say you're going somewhere overnight, you don't want to unpack your bags, all you do is simply just take out the bolts, because they're a regular Allen key, and then take your bags inside. Just like that, we're all done. We got the bags on, we got the Sissy bar on, we were ready to start adventuring, just like we did on our way to Born Free. We packed way too much. That's one of our things. We're one of those overpackers. If y'all have any questions, feel free to message me or drop it down in the comment section below. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and while you're there, bump over and hit that bell notification to be notified of any future videos when they drop, as soon as they drop. Scene 1, take 1, action.